All right, welcome to our week 9 Monday DGP helpful hints. So just like normal, let's go through our questions and kind of work them out for us. So number 1, we're talking about plethora, and what you're doing is you're reading the paragraph and you're figuring out what you think plethora is based off of our text provided. So you should be able to underline or type in context clues that tells me the meaning of plethora. Number 2, you're circling our misspelled word. We have respective, accidentally, and corrode. So figure out which word is misspelled and then spell it correctly. For number 3, non-restrictive elements, you're adding extra information to our sentence about our subjects. So my mother doesn't have enough time to volunteer at school. Our subject is my mother. So that is what you should be writing.
Good afternoon, Brentwood. Just wanted to let you know that the winners for today's Spirit Week competition are seventh
And then you
grader
should be using a
Nico
dashes.
Marchuria and Amir Spencer. The students can come down to Mrs. Hughes' room, that is room 104, right in front of the library on the right-hand side to get your prize pack. And remember, we're dressing up for Halloween on Friday.
So sorry about that announcement. However, now you get some information about school too. We're doing our subjects, so write your subject, you're adding a dash, you're adding extra information about your mom, maybe anything you want to say about her, and then you're writing the rest of the sentence, which doesn't have enough time to volunteer at school. All right, for number 4, you're choosing the correct pronoun. Then you're telling me, is it subjective in the subject, objective in the predicate, or possessive showing ownership? And then you're looking for the antonym, the opposite of optimistic. Well, optimistic means someone that is a positive person. So the opposite would be what? All right, good luck.